Hey crew, today's video will be strawberry cheesecake pancakes. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have powdered sugar, strawberries, cream cheese, whipped cream, whole milk, strawberry preserve, and buttermilk pancake mix. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel or see this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our strawberry cheesecake pancakes. Alright crew, so we're going to jump to the first part of our video for our strawberry cheesecake pancakes. We got a pound of strawberries here. We have strawberry preserve, and we have sugar. So we're going to slice up our strawberries, and I did wash and clean the strawberries first.
It's not my fault.
Some big juicy Louisiana strawberries.
Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no
In the comment section below, let us know how you've been doing and what you've been up to. And let us know if you could try this recipe. It's easy and simple. Doesn't require a lot of time. If you have kids that like to be in the kitchen that want to cook, you know, you can do this with them. And this will be a part of our pancake series. It's going to be a 4-part. So y'all going to get 4 different types of, you know, shall I say, like exotic pancakes, you know, that you can have fun with your family. And also, if you're looking for a good sharp knife, this knife is by Fizz K. Lee. Click the link in my description box and it'll take you to it. Go to my Amazon affiliate link and it'll be there along with a bunch of other things that you may be interested in. And I know America eats a lot of pancakes. You know, sometimes you just want a different pancake, you know. You may get tired of the basic, you know, pancake and syrup. You know, you might want to, you know, do something special. Or just, you know, have something different, you know. It's like, you can have regular pancakes, yes. You know, but you can also take it up another notch and do some specialty pancakes. You know, you don't have to go to IHOP. You can have IHOP at home, and that's why I'm showing y'all this. You know, you can do it yourself. Yes, IHOP pancakes are good. Yes, they have a different variety of pancakes, but you also can do that stuff at home for a cheaper price. I'm just letting y'all know that. You know, you don't have to always go out and eat. You know, IHOP who? I don't know who, but yeah.
If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your.
So we gonna keep this train rolling. We have a bowl. We simply gonna put our strawberries into the bowl. And we have our sugar here. We're gonna put 1/8 of a cup of granulated sugar into our strawberries. We have our strawberry preserve here. We're gonna go in with 1/4 of a cup of strawberry preserve. We simply gonna give it a mix. gonna go with 1/8 of a cup of granulated sugar. Alright, so we're gonna keep this train moving. We're about to jump to the next part of this video for our strawberry cheesecake pancakes. We're gonna go into the bowl with our cream cheese, 1 8-ounce block, that's room temperature. If y'all notice, I got it at a good temp where I can use the whisk to mix it up. So we're gonna go in with some powdered sugar. We're gonna go in with 1/4 cup at a time until we get it to, you know, the consistency we like. Give it a taste. One more, 1/4 of the cup, and we don't need no more powdered sugar. So that's our 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and I went in with 1/4 cup of powdered sugar 3 times. Alright, to make this airy and fluffy, we're gonna go in with 1/4 cup of Cool Whip. Alright, crew, so we have our cheesecake mix and we have our strawberry mix for our strawberry cheesecake pancakes. We got this out of the way. Now we're gonna move along to our pancakes. Alright, crew, so we're gonna keep this train rolling. We have our buttermilk pancake mix and we have milk. So we're gonna go in with 2 cups of pancake mix and we're gonna add milk. Here you can follow the directions on the box if you want to, but we're not gonna pour the exact amount of milk what's called for 2 cups of pancake mix, because we want our pancakes thick, airy, and fluffy. Alright, so we got our 2 cups of pancake flour into the bowl. Now we're gonna go in with some milk. Alright, crew, so we got the griddle out. We about to make these pancakes, baby, for our strawberry cheesecake pancakes. I'm gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of butter. So we back, and our pancakes have started to form little bubble pockets coming to the top. That means we're gonna give them a flip.
You got me and I'm with it. If you with it, committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared.
So we're gonna remove our pancakes.
So please don't be scared. Cause I got you like you got me and I'm with it. If you with it, committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared.
Alright, crew, so y'all know what time it is. We're about to put these pancakes together for our strawberry cheesecake pancake. I did allow the pancakes to cool off some because I didn't want it to melt the cream cheese. So we have our pancake here.
insane or it might outgrow you, might outgrow you. We just gotta take our time, get out your head, cause I've been all in mine. I've been waiting all day to see you. We just gotta take our time, we just gotta take our time, get out your head, cause I've been all in mine. I've been waiting all day to see you. We just gotta take our time. So please don't be scared. Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared.
Alright, crew, so I'm gonna give y'all that famous close-up of our strawberry cheesecake pancakes.
I can have you, you can have me, we can do the main thing. I can have you, you can have me if you do the same thing. I can have you, you can have me, we can do the main thing. I can have you, you can have me if you do the same thing. So please don't be scared. Cause I got you like you got me, and I'm with it if you with it. Committed, committed, committed. So please don't be scared.
Alright, crew, so we at the favorite part of the video where Queen gonna try it and give out her honest opinion. You want a little syrup on this or you good? Okay, she ain't want no syrup, y'all. So she gonna get into it. Get Juicy. Cause you know Juicy gonna want to come up there.
You want some? Come on.
You know she greedy. Alright, y'all, but Queen gonna try to give y'all her honest opinion. Y'all look at them layers.
Thick, just like I like them. Y'all don't know me, I love pancakes. Oh man, the strawberry thing. Golly. Okay, baby girl, I'm gonna give you a piece.
Still ain't.
I'm gonna give you some. That's good.
The sweetest spirit activated, Papa.
That's good. Okay. All right then, I see. Making pancakes, making IHOP stuff at home. Yeah, and I love me some pancakes, y'all. This is perfect. It's light and fluffy. You get the sweetness from whatever cream this is he made.
Cheesecake.
Okay. Yeah, I know I don't be in the kitchen with him when he cook. So I don't know till I taste it. Want some more, baby girl?
Man, that's good. You don't need no syrup or nothing.
You like it, baby girl? I don't know if y'all hear her over here breathing.
She going in.
Goodness.
I will show her, but I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna show my baby looking like that on camera. Alright, y'all, but I hope y'all enjoyed this. Now to my baby girl. No, she got stuff all over her mouth. She just waving.
Yeah. Cause she like Papa food. That's good.
So you like it? Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all heard what Queen said. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on the video. Also, if you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Y'all already know the saying, Pops and Queen, we out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.